Big thanks or shout out to Brent Snip, the Michigan rep, for sending this stuff to me. I didn't ask for the hat, but it'd be nice to have some Hunter merch. The adjustable nozzles, or the the Pro high efficiency adjustable nozzles is what I was asking him for. These have just been released, and their distribution uniformity is supposed to be significantly better than the regular adjustable nozzles, and I want to do a test to see how well they work. Basically, they're just a direct replacement for nozzles that currently exist, but yet offer a better water conservation. It comes in 17, 15, 12, 10, and 8. That's the foot radius for all of these. So in most cases, you can just do a direct replacement. You may have to replace the head itself to be able to do some pressure compensation, depending on what it is. But that's what their the intention is.